This is a tax exchange format file. It contains tax data. You can import this into TurboTax or H&R Block software to populate your return. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import it. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust TXF file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. The TXF extension represents a standardized text-based format used for exchanging financial data between different tax software. It contains income, deductions, and credits, organized with specific tags to ensure consistent data transfer. This structure allows tax programs to parse data accurately during the import and export process. The TXF file format is a structured text-based format designed for the exchange of tax data. It typically includes specific tags and delimiters to identify different data elements. The format is designed to be easily parsed by tax preparation software, ensuring accurate and consistent data transfer between applications. When viewing the file metadata, the TXF shows a direct link to TurboTax from Intuit. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your TXF file and choose Open With. Test TurboTax first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If the TXF file won't open, don't panic. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, use tax software. Open the file using TurboTax, H&R Block, or another compatible tax preparation software. Next, use import function. Launch the tax software and use the import or transfer function, selecting the TXF file. Finally, check encoding. Open the TXF file in a text editor to ensure the encoding is ASCII or UTF-8. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.